Now, even though the price of Shiba Inu coin has been, well, down over the last couple of months, I love to see that analysts, I love to see that the community, I love to see the traders are remaining optimistic and looking at reasons we could bounce back to the upside and not necessarily focusing on all of the reasons that we're going to the downside right now. And we're going to be talking about 3 reasons Shiba Inu coin's price may skyrocket. Now, we know this SHIB is capable of more than a 60% rise, but a 60% rise nonetheless takes us to about that 2,000 point per coin mark, so we're going to be talking about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got 3 reasons Shiba Inu coin may skyrocket 60% in price soon, and I do believe that this is a good thing to focus on right now. Yes, the price of SHIB at about 1270 points per coin is down just a little bit over the last 24 hours, and it's down heavy over the last 3 months, but Shiba Inu coin is looking for a bounce, and investors are getting optimistic. It goes on to say that Shiba Inu coin's price has crashed into bear market this year, wiping out $12 billion as its market cap dropped to $7.4 billion. Now, I don't think that we are in a bear market. I really don't. If you look at all of the catalysts right now, the catalysts tell us that we are in a bull market. But investors are fearful because they don't know what to expect from all of the tariffs. And the mainstream media is making it so much worse, telling you that this is going to be the end of the world, that we're headed towards economic collapse, that we're in a recession. And it's very, very funny how much fear-mongering they are doing right now, when just a couple of years ago, right, they changed the definition of recession so that we didn't believe the previous administration put us in such a big, deep, dark hole that we really were much worse off than they let on. Not only did they change the definition of a recession, they also underplayed or downplayed 9% inflation. Guys, we were looking at a situation that literally put us on the brink of economic collapse, and we saw banks. I believe there were 4 banks that went bankrupt because of this situation, and they lied straight to America's faces, telling us no need to worry. No matter what money you have in the bank, it is safe. The financial system that we have created is the greatest in the world, and a lot of people realized that we were on the brink of the Ponzi scheme finally collapsing, but here we are today. Here we are today with a president and a new administration that promises economic prosperity, that promises to make America competitive in the overall manufacturing landscape of this world, and bring a cryptocurrency industry to the forefront. All of the news is good. All of the intentions are positive. It's the fear that these, they're idiots, right? The fear that these idiots are mongering out there is driving prices lower. Unsubstantiated fear. Now, because of that, we're not in a bear market, guys. We are on the brink of perhaps one of the biggest bull market rallies the world has ever seen, and they're trying to get your assets from you. It says Shiba Inu coin's retreat happened as Bitcoin and other meme coins fell amid concerns about a self-inflicted recession in the United States. If we do, right, end up in a recession, we've been in one. I want you to know that. If they finally admit to it, because they are now not liars, we've been in one. The situation that we are in right now is much worse than any of the data that they had portrayed. We've been in one. We've been fine. And now we are coming out and we are going to see the prosperity that we are finally, on the brink of achieving. Now, there are signs of an ongoing SHIB price crash may be nearing an end. First, the amount of SHIBs being burned has surged in recent weeks. According to SHIB burn, the burn rate jumped by over 62,000% in a 24-hour period, with 500, it was just under, I believe, 500 million Shiba Inu coin being burned. One transaction alone sent 460 million SHIB to the dead wallet. Historically, the stock and crypto market drops when risks rise, but tend to rebound shortly afterward. For example, you've had the C word there, and we rebounded very quickly after that. Had a lot to do with stimulus checks, though. Shiba Inu coin's price technical analysis. Not only are the fundamentals good, but the technicals are good as well. It says technical indicators suggest that SHIB may be poised for a strong bullish breakout this year. The daily chart shows that Shiba Inu coin has been forming a falling wedge pattern characterized by two descending converging trend lines. Trend lines have converged at 1260, which coincides with the lowest swings in July, August, and September of last year, making the current price a crucial level of support, knowing that we are at right now at 1270. Now, if you go on to say, therefore, Shiba Inu coin's price could have a strong bullish breakout with a key psychological level of 2,000 points per coin, 60% higher than where we are right now. Now, look, if you've got strong fundamentals, you've got strong technicals, you've got an administration embracing the U.S., the only thing holding us back is emotion. And you know what I have always seen? Every single time we rebound out of this extreme fear situation, we see massive gains. And you know, if you come out here to CoinMarketCap and you look at the same fear and greed index, they track it a little bit longer. You can see about 1 year on CoinStats there. But if you come to CoinMarketCap, it goes back to like mid 2023. If you look at the fear and greed index, you can see that we have never been in an extremely fearful situation as long or as back as this tracks to mid 2023. Guys, we are coming off of some of the most fearful territory that we have ever been in. Of course, we're going to see prices decline when we are in this fearful of a situation. But you know what it always brings? Opportunity. Previously, we saw a fear and greed index level of 34. What happened afterwards? Bitcoin rallied from 25,000 all the way up to the extreme greed situation of $71,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, it pulled back. Bitcoin came back down from 71 to 56,000, and the fear and greed index was at a level of 30. You know what happened afterwards? It rallied up to $100,000 per coin and a greedy level of fear and greed. What do you think is going to happen here? Economic collapse? Ruin? The end of the industry? The end of the world? Guys, what's going to happen next is the rebound. The rebound is going to drive prices higher than they have ever been before. The rebound is going to bring retail investors back in, and they're going to be buying at the top. We are buying at the bottom. Now, that's what I'm doing. If you guys want to join along, you've got a link for the KSEX exchange out there. This is a centralized exchange. You guys can go out. You can trade on up to 100x leverage if you would like. Best selection of meme coins and cryptocurrency that I have seen on a centralized exchange in the United States. You've also got a link in the description below for Best Wallet. It's going to pull you up to this page right here. If you guys download it, this is perhaps the best decentralized exchange and decentralized wallet that I have ever seen before. I've been using these guys for about 6 months now. Never had a single issue on the app. It's very easy to use. The interface is awesome and one of the best selections because, of course, it is DeFi. So you can basically go out there and get any and every cryptocurrency that exists. This interacts directly with the blockchain. Of course, centralized exchanges, you can only get what's listed on that centralized exchange. So use the links down in the description below for Best Wallet. Make sure to check out the KSEX exchange as well. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.